How to fix YouTube music offline songs disappeared. You want to simply open the YouTube music application, and once you're inside the YouTube music app, you want to make sure that you are on the right account, that you're logged in, which has your YouTube Music Premium membership. You can simply see your account's details over here once you tap on profile over here, and you want to make sure the account is correct. After that, you want to simply verify your YouTube Music Premium subscription, if it is active or not. You can simply go to this upgrade section. If you don't have premium, you'll be able to purchase a premium over here. However, if you already have a premium, you'll be able to see your subscriptions or expiry date over here. If your subscription has been expired, you wouldn't be able to see your downloads over here on the download section. However, if you have your premium active, you want to simply go to this download section over here on this playlist option, and you'd be able to re-download the music application. You'd be able to re-download those music again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.